Okay, in this video, we're going to learn a little bit about nested families. So when a loadable family is loaded inside a family, that is a nested family, so to say, in very short. Okay, so right now you can see we have a door right over here. If you click on the door, you can see we have the edit family button. That means this is a family. Now if we go inside the door, edit family, okay, so this is the door family, and now if I click on the handle, you can see that the edit family button appears once again. That means this handle inside this door family is a family by itself. So this is a handle family. If I go to the edit family, you'll see this handle, and this handle was made the same way a family is made that we have learned through the creation of our table family. Right, so there's another thing we need to know, and that is in the contextual, in the properties palette, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see an option that's called shared. So if it is turned on, that would mean Revit is going to consider the handle as a separate family from the door family. All right, but if you turn it off, then Revit is going to consider the door handle and the door to be the same family. They are not, considered to be two different families nested together. All right, so let's give it shared, and I'm going to close it down, and we're going to look at the schedule. So for this, I've created a door schedule for this project file. It just has a wall and a door. So we're going to go and take a look at the door schedule. Now, if you look at the door schedule, it has type, height, and width. So here you have the type of the door, height of the door, width of the door. But also you can see standard and standard. So these two fields are actually representing the handle family. So because we had the shared turned on, the shared option turned on, Revit now is saying the handle as a separate family from the door family, but it is nested inside the door family. That's why it shows up on the door schedule. But yeah, it shows up as an individual element, not this door element. But if we had not turned on shared, in that case, we would have just seen this single field, which is 60 by 80, and then the height and the width. Okay, so yeah, that's how nested families work inside Revit. All right, so that was it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you got to learn something new.